Hello, my name is Joe. I'm head chef at 8020. We're here at our restaurant right now in Bangkok, Thailand, and we'd like to demonstrate how to plate one of our dishes, which is on the menu right now. It's called Gaengsom. Gaengsom is actually one type of Thai sour curry or like spicy soup. It's actually based from the south of Thailand. We take the ideas and make our own way by highlighting local ingredients, which is clams or seashells for today. Let's start. Okay, so we'll start with, we have this paste. We actually use the same curry paste as Gaengsom, but we actually I actually take my mom's recipe and we make the traditional one, the one that she made, but then add a little bit more ingredients in there, which is trimming of the fish that we use. So because in the soup or this sour curry is supposed to be a little bit not clear, but more a little bit cloudy from the protein or some fishes. So we can nail it nice size. Right on here. Then we move on to the two type of sea snails or seashell, which is got two type of seashell. One will be local clams that we actually lightly steam it, and other one is one type of seashell, which is this guy. It's called Hoi Kajong Dong, which is like normally local people, like most Thai local people don't eat it, but only like fishermen, it's like they actually consume, they make the curry out of it, and we tried it one time and we really like the texture of it, so we decided to feature that on our menu. And also, so that's the meat of the sea snail. So we actually confit it in like herbal oil that we make in house. So to start, we're gonna put clams. Also, we have another clam as well. It's preserved clams. So we use like a Thai way of preserving these clams. Just kind of cook it in a curry paste until it's nice and dry, but still have a really good texture. This seasonal dish, Gaengsom, is really punchy, spicy. So we wanted to pair something that lighter. So we decided to serve that with like usually this Gaengsom served with some sort of flour. Usually like seasonal flour. So we decided to serve with the deep fried pumpkin flour for this case. Then we have jellyfish to give a little bit texture. And also, just to give a sourness, because this sour curry have normally we season with tamarind, but we want to highlight something seasonal. So So we have this taling pling or gooseberry that we fermented with 2% salt. Codified. Last but not least, we have local herbs and also like seashore herb. This guy is it's almost like a seaweed. It's called shaklam. It has a little bit of salty taste to it. So I think it will be really great with this dish. And we mix in the vinaigrette that made from the fermented juice of the gooseberry that I introduced you earlier. Between the sea snail, the meat part we use the feet of the sea snail, but the liver part we turn it to a puree. So just give a little bit more creamy of the sea snail as well. Then we have, just to keep it a bit more spicy, we add chili oil, raw chili oil, and also herb oil. So here's a pumpkin flour that we batter in the coconut batter. It's really light and all well together with this sour curd. Now we have a broth. It's a broth actually made from clam juice. We actually steam the clams and we save their liquid, and we add a little bit of curry paste in it. Pour this on the table, so we just to give it a little broth to it. So here we have it, our Gaengsom that feature on our menu right now. That we feature local clams and sea snails. This one is really play around on Thai traditional sour curry, and we also want to feature this pumpkin flour that go well together. And I really hope to welcome you soon to Bangkok, Thailand, and please visit us at the 8020 restaurant, and I hope you enjoy watching the show demonstration. Thank you so much. ขอบคุณครับ